Hi guys, Namaste. Welcome to AnkiNish Creations. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing a beautiful home decor DIY with mirror and dot mandal painting. So it will be done on a cork base. And yes, that's it. So let's get started with this video. For making this wall hanging, I'm using this cork hot mat which I got from IKEA. It is 19 centimeters in diameter and about 1 centimeter in thickness. So I'm painting it with white acrylic paint first to give it a even base, because cork base is sometimes uneven, so if you paint it with a white base it will give it a lighter base as well as it will even out its surface little bit. Now I'll let this dry completely and then I'll paint a coat of black acrylic paint on top of it. Once I'm done painting my black acrylic paint, I'll let it dry completely and then I'll stick my mirror. It is 10 centimeters in diameter in the center of this cork mat. So I'll measure the four sides of this mirror to know if it is in center, and then I'm using super glue to stick the mirror in the center of this cork mat. After sticking the mirror, I'll let the mirror stick properly to the cork base for an hour or so before starting with the next step, and after that I'm placing a wooden circle on top of the mirror so that I don't show my awkward painting face while painting the dot mandal. Now I am showing what colors I have used for making this dot mandal design. It's neon pink and neon green, bright yellow and turquoise, orange and violet, and gold, deep purple, white and lemon yellow acrylic paint. So starting with neon pink acrylic paint to make my dot mandal design, followed by all the other colors I have shown for making this design. And yeah, for making dots you can use dotting tools which you can make at home using materials you already have at home. I have already shown in one video how you can make your own dotting tools, and you can use any shades of acrylic paints you have at home. You don't have to use what shades I have used. You can mix and match your shades and just enjoy the process of making this beautiful art form. If you are trying this art form for the first time, I would suggest to try it on a flat surface first rather than a cork surface like a paper, mixed media paper, or even a wood surface is very good to try it for the first time. So yeah, try it on the flat surface first and make a simple design, and then you can try on various surfaces like cork, fabric and so on. And now enjoy this process of dot mandal painting on this wall hanging, and then I'll show you how to make it hangable and add beautiful tassels at bottom of this wall hanging. Now here, as my first layer has dried, I'll add another layer of dots on top of it. Like here I'm adding gold dots on top of the violet dots. Adding layers makes it more interesting and it increases the depth of the dot mandal design, and it makes it very beautiful at the end. So add layers if you want to make it more interesting. Now I'm done with my dot mandal design on this cork base. So I will paint the sides of this cork base with black acrylic paint. I should have done it while painting the base of this mat in black color, but no worries. I'll paint it now. I have to be more careful that I don't paint the black paint on the dot. And once I'm done painting, I'll attach tassel at the bottom side of this wall hanging like this. So I'm using dark blue and gold tassel. I have mentioned link to this kind of tassel in the description box below with all the other product links. And now I will turn this wall hanging upside down and I'll mark the center so that I get an idea where to attach my tassel. So I'm using a jute thread and inserting into the tassel and tying a knot in it, and then I'll stick this jute thread on the cork base using some hot glue, and on top of that hot glue I'll attach a masking tape to cover the hot glue part and to make it little bit neat at the back side. And now in the same way I'll attach a small piece of jute thread at the top of this wall hanging with hot glue and masking tape to make it hangable. Please do not use hot glue and super glue if you are a child because it would be risky for you to use it on your own, so do it under the supervision of an adult. And now I'm done with my beautiful mirror dot mandal wall hanging. I think it looks so beautiful, colorful and unique. What do you guys think? It will be a beautiful gift idea to any housewarming, I think. So yeah, I hope you all liked it. So that's it for this video. I really hope you all liked it. Hit that like button if you do and comment down below your thoughts on it. Share this video with your family, friends on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, wherever you can. Please share this video. It will help me grow my channel. And I have also made few more paintings on this kind of cork base. I'll link all those paintings video in the description box below so you can check that out. And I'll see you soon. Bye. Love being creative. Bye bye.